Yeah, like why do tables and dog girls know how to handle shit we have walked through it shirt need to have flippin' genders. It makes it so much more difficult to have to learn the nonsensical gender of a thing on top of learning the word itself. For girls, the following statement is false. The feminine is used for uncles. In German, the rule for grammatical gender is if in doubt, mumble. Dog girls know how to handle shit we have walked through it shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. Canada uses it all the time. Dog girls know how to handle shit we have walked through it shirt. I think we give much less of an about the academic at less immortals. And they do not give about us. There is a multi-decade debate about the gender of the Game Boy. But nobody cares about the French. Other product.